Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Online Tricks. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can verify your account and start uploading thumbnail for your YouTube videos. If you're new to YouTube and you have uploaded your first video, you wouldn't be able to upload thumbnail for a video until you verify your account. So in this video I'm going to tell you simple steps how you can verify your account. You will be forwarded to this page. In this you will have to decide your country from where you belong, and then you will be asked to enter your mobile number so that you will be sent 8-digit verification code or 6-digit verification code, and then you will have to apply that 6-digit verification code here. And once you submit this, you will be able to upload thumbnail for your upcoming videos from here on. So in this easy steps you can easily verify your YouTube account so that you can upload thumbnail for your videos, because thumbnails are the major part for getting the views from users. So if your thumbnail is good enough and is catchy and it is tempting for the user, so they can click on that, so there's more chance of having click on that. So therefore you should have a catchy thumbnail. For that you will have to verify your account. So if this video has been helpful for you, so you have to please subscribe my channel. So like you can see, I have uploaded my thumbnail for the video, for the very first video, and it gives a very good impression. So if you want more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel and comment and like the video. Take care. Bye bye.